When I was child, I used to means we had a very big this thing garden, and I used to do. My mother teached me that वो खुरपी से कैसे करते हैं. She and my parents both they taught me. And after that, when I grew up, I read in paper that most of the people are having kidney disease. That was in Delhi. Because the people they are growing this thing, their crops, vegetables, everything in near Yamuna Nadi, and it was full of dirt. Factories, dirt was also there, so they were getting kidney disease. I read, and I just forgot it. Again, after a few years, I read this type of news next time. Then I thought we should do something. We have farm at Shahaganj, and we are doing all the organic. I started doing organic. I first read it about organic. Okay, we use cow urine, then cow dung also. We don't use any pesticide. Earthworms, and we put earthworm into that, and they also. Then we are having a fishes. Water of the fish is also very useful in organic. Yeah. So now we are having plenty of organic. This thing you can say crops, fruits, then vegetables, everything. People have gone there, and they have seen it. So that in this way, I know it's not giving that profit which other means non-organic vegetables or crops do. But still, I think we should start. If one starts, then again another one starts. In this way, people will understand about it, and they will be free from the disease. You must have seen that uh, people are suffering from diabetes, lean and thin person. They are walking a lot, but still they are diabetic. They have no history of diabetes. In the same way, they are having kidney problems. So, the most important thing is the food. You should eat healthy food, organic food. Then I can say, like, you can have chia seeds. We grow chia seeds, and that too organic. We have cows, and I can say it's also organic milk, because what they eat, cherry and everything, is organic. So we make curd, ghee, that is also organic. So in this way it started, and now I'm having so much interest in it that after taking around here, I go to farmhouse, and when we have started making it's like a resort, village resort, in which you get chapatis and everything, which is like in the past our dadis used to make it at like this, or the floor, which we are making at our farmhouse. Yeah. In the same way, the vegetables, the curd, everything is the organic. And the same thing we have started at Bhopal, and Achita ji, and every staff of ours, they all are means taking these from things, okay, organic things.